loser, garbage bag, maggot of the earth. You about as soft as a man can get. You are literally trying to convince the world that you are fine. That's what you're doing, bro. Call it what it is. You're trying to convince us that you are this boss of bosses, toughest of toughest, macho of the machoest, swaggiest of the swag, human being. You are so delusional, loser slash lost slash scumbag lowlife. You are so opposite of cool and swag, and it ain't even funny. It ain't even funny, bro. You are literally sitting here acting like you big and tough, over $16. $16. $16. See, this is the beauty about liars. Today's day and age liars. See, usually when you tell a lie, like how you tell your lies, you walk away. You know, you walk away. Because you got people thinking like, dang, that's true? But with y'all giblet heads, you, loser Charlie, short round loser, Blaha, y'all three are the dumbest liars I have ever heard and seen. I can tell you that 100 out of 100, y'all are the worst liars, fake tough guys I have ever met in my life, bro. Y'all three are terrible, man. I mean, all three y'all trying to pull off something that y'all cannot pull off. You're not cool enough. You're not smooth enough. You're not a man. Neither one of y'all y'all probably got a pinky full of men, all three up put together. Every last one of y'all are straight pussies. All three of y'all literally run at any sniff of danger of getting y'all tails whooped. I mean, it isn't even funny. Y'all run both ways. Y'all run when y'all on YouTube, running y'all mouths. Running y'all mouth. You go, man, pull up, or, I'll knock you out. Or the worst one of them all, fat round thing, Blaha, literally be lying about, literally be saying, come, I would shoot you, I would kill you, he said he's a mercenary. And this dude couldn't fight a lick. y'all three, y'all start off talking big trash. Boy, but you start listening to y'all a little bit more. You starting to learn like y'all ain't nothing but this terrible human beings, all three of y'all. I ain't talking about the scary way, it's terrible like you did a crime or something. No, I am talking about y'all three are the worst bullies I have ever seen. Bullies supposed to punk down people because they punks, and so they find the next weakest man and go punk him because he's getting punked by somebody else. That bullying usually take place. But y'all three are the opposite tough guy bullies. Y'all talk so much trash on the computer. You tell them, loser sneeze, yo, pull up. Y'all want me? I take your life, son. I swear. Sneeze. You try to talk so black when you want to fight because you think that make you sound tougher. But only thing you're doing is getting outed more by your own words. Your own words are literally telling the story, the real story of you. Every time you don't get your way, like a child, you start talking about somebody or some race. Or you try to dog on that chick Ashley because she don't want nothing to do with you. She know who you really are. And you are just mad about it because you talk all this mess about Ashley this and Ashley that. Now you're trying to go back and trash her because you feel like you shouldn't have lost her. And now you're trying to belittle her every chance you get. But this is one of stupid, dumb moments. Like, you got a lot of them, so it's very easy to pick. You try your hardest, bro, to just rip her down and hurry up and try to say you still want to date her, you still take her back and stuff. You just don't get it. You are pathetic of a man. You are pathetic of even a boy. And it makes it even funnier with you, bro. Just the other day you said, man, give me a break. This is a kid. Just a kid at 29. 29. And now, today, I heard you say, you're a grown man. Don't mess with me. I'm a grown man. You see, it's like this, man. To go back to, how y'all telling on yourself. You tell these terrible lies, and you show up the next day, all three of y'all, not doing absolutely nothing. Didn't do nothing, didn't say nothing. And then you sneeze. This dude is saying he got a mansion, 5 luxury cars, but you have 14, but now you're down to 5. And you are staying in homeless shelters. And now you're trying to say you got $5,000 in some bank or something? Stop it with the lies, bro. You, Tyree, I really am trying to save you, bro. I really ain't, but I am. Because I'm really trying to tell you, bro. Stop. Stop, man. Nobody believes you got 8 cars, let alone 5 cars. You know you don't got no house, bro, because I don't care nobody. It ain't fun sleeping 2 days here, then having to gather up all your stuff and worry about how I'm gonna get my next money for my room. I don't care what nobody say. That is the worst feeling out there. Not knowing where you go lay your head at. And you are literally begging people for donations. And then you got the nerve, man. The nerve to freaking act like people owe you something. And you be literally begging for donations. And then when they don't give it to you, you got the nerve to get smart with them. You know why you can do that? Because they probably just like you, man. Dumb as a bag of bricks. And I feel sorry for the bricks for comparing them to you. You are a broke dude. See? Sneeze. You only probably have money because I actually gave that money back to you. But you don't tell nobody that. You only let people know all the good stuff for you, and everybody else is always going to be beneath you in your own little world. We call that cuckoo land. We say that cuckoo land because only in cuckoo land that a little weasel maggot, lowlife coward can be tough in a world. That's the only world you can probably be tough in, bro. And you still will punk down. And you still will get owned by somebody. Because you are such a freaking tomato can, bro. You the tomato can of life. You ain't good for nothing but should be told that you should be humbled every day of your life because you think you fake like you're so tough, bro. You fake like you're so tough. And it's just like, bro, you the tomato cans of freaking life. Because you know, you do things to people. You talk down to people. And then you be having a nerve to have your escape route to run and back out of the comment, and you act like you did something. And you know, and case in point, you say get off my show, I'm this or that, get off my show. Hey, idiot. Boogers and cum gobbler. It ain't your show. It ain't a show. It is YouTube. You have absolutely zero percentage of having a show, thinking about having a show, and never to think of you having a show. You are such a loser, bro. You're a good loser. You get the loser of the day. That's what's going to call it. The loser of the day is no other than 5-time repeat champion, Mr. Tyree. Loser. Coward. Sneeze. Sneeze. Bro, you just Tyree, like I told you, you was the easiest case I ever had. Easiest. You would never, ever, ever be able to outthink me or anybody else in this world because you are not smarter than nobody. And Tyree, so what you do with, men like you, so I call them boys like you, y'all pick who y'all think the bully. That's y'all MO. Bully's a bully. Y'all just happen to be you, Charlie, and blah happen to be the worst bullies have ever walked this earth. So, y'all, Tyree, you keep saying show this, show that. It ain't no show. It ain't your show. It will never be your show. But how many times have you said, I'm quitting YouTube? I said a good 2 or 3 or 4 times. I say easily. You talk like you don't need YouTube. You talk crap about YouTube. You do this, do that. YouTube don't need you, bro. YouTube don't need none of us. YouTube gonna make their money no matter what. So, once again, bro, stop saying you don't like YouTube. You don't need YouTube. You make money. You make money. You think you this and that, but every second you can, you want them to monopolize you or something that make you money for them, get paid from them, basically. You're begging them every day for them to do it. Begging like you begging for donations. Because you are technically, because you want to get paid from them. So you don't got to work. For you can really say you got a show. Because boy, oh boy, you would brag like no tomorrow. But what makes it funny though is you think you're gonna be making real good money. Money. And it always goes back to money with you. You was literally, bro, talking all fake tough for $16, bro. $16. $16. Now, Charlie, ask yourself, would a millionaire be fighting over $16? You are such a moron, loser. You just, bro, you just helped yourself out so much. So much. Man, bro, once again, that's all I tell you again. Bro, you are literally the dumbest human on this earth. You, your great friend Charlie, and your little round, look like a bulldog, blah. Y'all three, y'all three would literally have so many enemies. People want to whoop your tail. That y'all three wouldn't bear to go out the door because all three of y'all so chicken and scared. You would literally stay in your house for days on end. But the whole time blaming it on other people that y'all stuck in that house. Or y'all stuck here, stuck there. Y'all blaming everybody else but yourself. And you know what else is very similar to y'all three, man? Every last one of y'all have female problems. Y'all have no female to have a problem with females because all three of y'all, I never say Charlie and Sneeze, bro. You gay, bro. Just come out. You want to come out? Just come out, bro. You gay in a $2 bill, bro. But it goes back to the women thing. Tyree, bro. I hope I get my opportunity to get you because the way you talk about women for no reason, try to belittle them and make them feel like they beneath you, that burns me up, because I have a daughter, I have a wife, and you know what? And I'm also just a guy that just don't like you, and I don't like hearing women get talked down to for no reason. You are a real a-hole. You are, I don't like cussing. Makes me feel like I got a very short vocabulary. I cuss every 5 minutes. Makes me feel like that, not nobody else, But anyway, you're a real a-hole, bro. You can't get a woman, and you finally get one, which shows, and she probably sees it too now, that it was a colossal mistake because you are such a a-hole because you think that's how men supposed to talk to women, because you know why? Because you never had a woman. You never had a woman to appreciate, because if you get a woman, I will hope that you learn how to be a little bit better to them. I ain't saying you gotta you do the extreme on both with them. You talk down to them, but then you wanna get on the phone probably an hour or two later, call them like, I love you, I love you, I'm sorry. But no, all you doing is pushing them away, make them belittle themselves, So then you can come back and act like they love or they life because you saying how much you love them, you love her, you love her, you love her. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I just want to be with you. That's a classic case of a person that just want to be the superhero and the son of a bee at the same time. But the thing about it is, you're only good at one of them, and the one you're good at is being a prick, a cunt, a coward, a lowlife, because that's what you are. That's what you will ever be, is a lowlife. You know that she don't want to be with you because she sent that $200 back to you. You knew she was done with you, but you let it on to let people think that she still owe you that money, and you sent her that money, and you lied. You lied, bro. You lied. You lied, and you said, she told me she used that money on drugs. Bro, you are the epitome of a douchebag, coward. You are trying to bring her down just because she told you to get away from her and back off. She good. And you try to slander her name by saying she used that $200 for drugs. But you love her. You love her. But you are literally trying to make her look like a trash bag douchebag. You literally played her like that. What kind of man does that? You know, I'm just thinking that's like the opposite of a man to do. You wouldn't deserve. You wouldn't deserve a cup of water. What? A cup of water or ice from a woman. I don't care if you was on fire. They better not give you a glass of water. You are just a scumbag, man. You the scummiest of the scummiest. And Tyree, like I told you before, bro, I'm going to break you. I'm going to break you till you get off of YouTube. I am smarter than you, darker than you, 110% better man than you are. You are nothing to this world. Nothing. Nothing at all. And you know that. It's the only way you can coexist with us normal folk is by telling these outlandish lies you tell, bro. But like I said, man, I'm ending it with this. $1,000. I put it up, you put it up. You picked the place to box. Remember, not at David Duke's house. You know, I know you're probably like best friends, but Yeah, but not at David Duke's house. You're such a big man. Come see me. But better yet, I'm just gonna pull up on you. Like you told us to. Remember, you told all our minorities, us blackies, us monkeys, Spicks, let's see what else. Oh, Jews. You know, us three, our three cultures. You know, but it's so beautiful that you try to rip every one of our swag from us. You can't pull it off. So you can keep calling us monkeys, Spicks, Jews, because you do know that this is beautiful. The biggest thing you can do to somebody, show them the utmost respect, is by copying them. And you copy every last one of us. Son,